Have you heard the story about how the interactive comprehensive readers came to be? Read on. Interactive comprehensive readers. Once upon a time, darkness ruled over the great cities of Lernia and Pedagogia. The clouds of disinterest and low reading scores had to be broken. But how? The citizens of Lernia called for interactive readers that would include games and competitions so students can revisit pages over and over, feature high-energy, full-color graphics and real-life photography, have videos and songs, get students moving with hands-on challenges, and rhyme, rock, and stick in students' heads. The people of Pedagogia insisted on comprehensive readers that would allow for metacognition and higher-level thinking, get students writing, listening, and speaking too, cover curriculum comprehensively, come complete with creative cerebral challenges, ask questions, and absolutely rhyme, rock, and stick in students' heads. Finally, they came together to make interactive comprehensive readers. More than just books, the IC readers are game consoles, gameboards, and springboards for high-level engagement. Like a miracle, students everywhere put down their smartphones and picked up these IC readers. Individually, in pairs, in groups, and as a class, the light of learning was restored to the two great cities. The end. But the real story is just beginning. Take a 24-hour full preview of all the IC readers, swipe this QR code, or click the link that goes with this video. Choose from many series like La Série d'Étienne, La Série de DJ Delph, the SEL Ask Questions series, the English or ESL Grammar Jam series. We even have Spanish and Math IC readers. Interactive comprehensive readers.